Hello viewers. Yep, well, out in the Hunter Valley, New South Wales, Australia today. Heading up towards Mount Allyn as a destination. Going to stop at Ladies Well. Just came through the village or township of East Gresford. So a little bit of bitumen, tar to get up to the gravel. Beautiful winter's day. Hardly any wind, plenty of sunshine, and sitting about 17 degrees at the moment, so very comfortable. Yeah, so as I cross over the Allyn River, which I do quite a few times going up here, mostly bridges to start with when you cross over, but the further you get up it turns into causeways. So it'll be interesting to see what the water levels on those causeways are like. But just enjoying this great countryside at the moment. Okay, we've got ourselves onto the gravel section now, just in the locality of Eccleston. Coming through all the farmlands, just near the Allyn River. Yeah, sometimes this can have quite a bit of loose gravel on it. Still does have a little bit on the corners, but yeah, not too bad at the moment. Quite firm, not too many potholes. And I'll see what that looks like a little bit further on as well. Yeah, I'm quite interested to catch up with some of these causeways because yeah, the V-Strom being a little bit lower to the ground, sometimes the depth of water can change your mind about a causeway. Alrighty. Yeah, so as you can see, copping this dust at the moment. I'm just wondering if the car might pull over, but I think I'm pushing my luck. Alright, got a bit of water over this one. At least we'll stop that dust for a minute. Bit of a hole there. All good. At least with the traffic that goes over it, it's not as slimy as they can be. This bloke doesn't want to acknowledge that I'm behind him. Okay, so I just got to the signpost here. Mount Allyn's up to the left and Ladies Well's just off to the right. So I'm going to take a break and have a look at Ladies Well, and then I'll head up to Mount Allyn. Alrighty. Well, that sort of puts a dampener on getting up to Mount Allyn. Obviously the track's in pretty bad condition. Alright, I knew there was a gate up further just before you get to the top of Mount Allyn, but I didn't realise there was didn't realise this one was here. Alrighty, plan B. Alrighty, a little bit of drone footage of where I was looking to head to, Mount Allyn. Didn't eventuate today, obviously, so I'm just going to go back down to the Allyn River and go across and head towards Dungog. Been a little bit of traffic about, a couple of four-wheel drives. Obviously a little bit quieter in the winter time. Coming into spring soon, so obviously see a little bit of an increase in traffic around these areas. When you've got a day like today with sunshine and good weather, people do take advantage of it. Alright. Alright, another camp area. It's like people packing up. Just on Williams Top Road, basically heading back down into Salisbury eventually. And then not sure if I just cut across Salisbury Road or head down into Dungog. But even when you get even when you get a gate that's not accessible, road closed or whatever. At least there's plenty of other trails to continue on with, so really great area. I think there's a sort of a bit of a non-official lookout not so far along here. Geographical marker, I think, mainly access track. This is the one I was talking about. Nearing the end of Williams Top Road. And back on the tar. Alright folks, as we pass through Chichester area, just going to go say, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next time around. And yeah, we'll end the video here. Alright, see you next time around. Cheers, bye.